Hi, science classes. So it's Friday, November 22nd. It's kind of similar to what we might do when I've posted notes on like Edpuzzle or YouTube where you're kind of self-directed. The only difference is we've been going through the notes together just because there's some clarification stuff to be doing as a group, kind of looking at it, trying to actually have some interaction with our peers a little bit more than we might typically, just answering questions on our own, that kind of thing. All of that being said, the plan is similar to if it was a self-directed notes day. Once a class is finished with the notes and everybody, first, second, fourth, and seventh, is in a little bit different place in the notes, which is fine. Once you're finished, we can be moving on, taking a look at the study guide for this unit. It's a study guide on chemical reactions, conservation of matter, and natural and man-made synthetic resources. So we're going to be taking a look at that. The study guide, as is common, is a little more difficult than the test. It's all just short answer questions, trying to make it a little more difficult for you. The one thing is, before you can do the study guide, you must do the exit ticket for this set of notes. It's already posted on Google Classroom, so when we finish with the notes section, you're going to be taking a look at that exit ticket there. It asks you about biodegradable, which then comes up again as question 12 on the study guide. Study guides, of course, are worth up to 2 points extra credit. We'll be having a review day when we get back from Thanksgiving break before we go into the test. And then, of course, we're also going to be having map testing going on that week that we get back as well. So it'll be an interesting schedule there. And then the next unit is really quick, not because we're short on time, but because it actually just covers some simple topics. We're going to be looking at thermal energy, heat energy, and it's a really quick thing. The test for that unit actually is only 14 points instead of 20. It was 10, but I just kind of balanced it out a little bit and made it 14. And so that's going to be a quick unit. We will slide our final slow in there in those 3 weeks after we get back, and there will be a study guide available for that as well. And so everything is going to be kind of on track. We do have also one fun activity. We're going to be doing a lab for the majority of the second week that we're back. And I'm going to be trying some different stuff with that lab, some things that I learned in Springfield this past week. We're going to try it out. We're going to see how it goes. I'll explain more when we get back and we get to that portion of the day, because I don't want to take any more of your time, since it is our opportunity to be working on finishing our work here and then getting through into the study guide here. So I do want to make sure that you have enough time for that and to be finishing things up. And let me double check in the lesson plan book. I wrote down cheat day for today or Monday when we get back. Monday. So we're just kind of getting through the rest of the notes today and then taking a look at the study guide. That Monday when we get back will officially be our cheat day for this unit. So no specific homework over break, just kind of getting a chance to rest and recharge. Be safe. If I forget to say it at the end of the period, be safe, enjoy your time off, and hopefully you can have some fun while you're out of school. Happy Friday.